Hey everybody, it's James from What We Find Fun. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough. My friend's in town and he has a suite at the Sky Suites at Aria Hotel and Casino. So I'm going to do a little walkthrough and show you what it's about. Alright, so I'm in the elevator for the Sky Suites. We are on the 27th floor. Use your card in order to get on. Just scan it.
27th floor. Going down.
And we lucked out. We were kind of close to the elevators this time. Hopefully they cleaned the room. See. Yeah, it looks like they did. Okay, so when you walk in, there is a little half bath here. It's just a normal toilet and sink. And then when you walk in, they actually have these little buttons. You hit privacy, the privacy button. So it's kind of like hanging the little card out on your wall so they don't bother you. So we have a whole little kitchenette here. We did have this full of drinks, but we only have a few left towards the end. So it's a nice little mini fridge. We can stop it. We actually went to Costco and got drinks. So, and they have automatic shades. So this is actually a suite, so it has the living room set up along with the separate bedroom. But it's got a little kitchenette. Looks like they left some of the stuff when they cleaned it. Yeah, just a normal couch and stuff. Here's the view. You can see the Interstate I-15, Panorama Towers, there's the Palms and the Rio. And it just kind of overlooks the west side of the valley. It's got a cool view. You can actually see T-Mobile, that's where the Golden Knights play. And then up there is the new Allegiant Stadium where the Raiders play. And a big TV, and that's where you kind of walked in at. And here's the bedroom. We got the 2 queen-size beds. And same thing within here. It has the automatic blinds to open. Got the TV and dresser. Pretty much the same view as the living room. You can see they are actually kind of busy at the pools down there. Looks like there's 3 different pools they have. That's I-15 over there. And then here's the humongous bathroom. So it has an awesome big soaking tub. And there's a TV in here. The sinks are kind of not very deep, so when you wash your hands, it would kind of splash on you a little bit. But that, a huge shower. Just normal type of stuff. Shower head. It's got like a seat back there. Sit down while you're in the shower. And then this is one of my favorite parts. Right next to the shower, there is a toilet that actually has a bidet in it. So it actually shoots water up. This is where you control it. You can do the front, back, and a dryer. The dryer can get really hot. And that's the setup. And then we've got the big closet. It's got a safe. You can keep your stuff if you want. So yeah, this is one of the Sky Suites at Aria Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. Hey everybody, I hope you liked the walkthrough video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And we'll see you next time on What We Find Fun.